You can now use Project Astra on the Gemini app in the form of Gemini Live. So basically, this is a part of Project Astra that you can start using at the moment. And this feature lets Gemini to access the same thing that you're seeing at the moment. It could be the phone screen, it could also be the camera. So you could have a nice and real-time conversation, and Gemini at the same time will have a better access about things that you are asking. So let me do a quick demonstration on how you can use the Gemini Live feature on the Gemini app. So first, of course, you can start a conversation with Gemini. You can tap on this icon on the top bottom right corner of the screen. And basically, if you're doing this for the first time, it might ask you to give access to microphone and camera. You have to do that because, of course, it needs to listen and see at the same time. Now I'm going to tap this and I'll do a quick demonstration. Hello there.
Hi there. What can I help you with?
Okay, now I just pause. I just put Gemini on hold, and basically I just want to tell you a few things that you can do. One is you can give access to camera. You can tap on this button and it will give Gemini to your camera access. It could be the back camera, it could also be the front camera. And if you click on this button, on the other hand, it will give Gemini access to what's going on the screen. So it will share the screen, the same thing that you're seeing at the moment. Now let me do another demonstration for the camera and the screen share. So let me just continue. Okay, can you tell me what you're seeing right now?
I see a Logitech wireless gamepad. Are you trying to connect it to a device, or is there something else I can help you with?
Can you tell me what model it is?
That's a Logitech F710 wireless gamepad. It's a popular choice for PC gaming. Do you have any questions
What
about
is the cost? What is the price of this item on Amazon in US dollar right now?
It looks like the price for a new Logitech F710 wireless gamepad on Amazon is around $39.99 right now.
Okay, let's have a different conversation.
Sure thing. What would you like to chat about? We could talk about your favorite hobbies, or maybe what you're hoping to learn in the future. It's totally up to you.
Okay, can you help me? How do I open Google Chrome on my smartphone?
Sure, I can help with that. I see the Google Chrome icon on your screen. It's the one that's blue, red, yellow, and green, and it's in the second column of icons. Just tap it, and Chrome will open right up.
I don't see the icon. Can you specify again?
My bad, it looks like the icon is actually in the second row, and it's the third one over from the left. It's the one with a blue circle outlined in yellow, with a red dot on the left and a green square on the right. Tap that one, and it should open right up.
Okay, what is the name of the item, on top of Chrome?
That's the icon for ChatGPT. It's a type of chatbot you can use to have conversations, find information, or even
No. I mean the top of Chrome. So ChatGPT was on the left, but what is on the top section of Google Chrome? What's the name of the app?
My mistake. The app above Chrome is called Calculator. It's a handy tool for doing math right on your phone. Is there anything else on this screen you'd like to know about?
Okay, so I just ended the conversation. It was decent, although it wasn't perfect. Like previously, I asked about where can I find the Google Chrome icon, but the answer is all over the place. But either way, I think the capability for the screen share and the camera is pretty good, especially for the camera. So you can point at an object or a product, and then you can ask more info about it. You can ask for a review about researching the product before maybe purchasing the item. So that's basically how you can use the Project Astra feature directly on your Gemini app. Right now, this feature is only exclusive in the Gemini mobile app, although previously I have made a video on how you can have Gemini live on the desktop version. Be sure to check it out on my channel. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.